Worried about an old Visa card still linked to your Amazon account? Let's get it removed securely in under 2 minutes. First, head over to Amazon.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for Account and Lists in the top right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select your account. This will take you to your main account dashboard, where you can manage all your Amazon settings. On your account page, you'll see various options. Find and click on Payment Options. This is where all your saved payment methods are stored. Here, you'll see all the credit and debit cards you've previously added. Locate the Visa card you wish to remove. To the right of the card details, you should see an option to edit or, more importantly, delete. Click on Delete Card. Amazon will likely ask you to confirm this action. To ensure you don't accidentally remove a card, simply click Delete Card again to finalize the removal. And just like that, your Visa card is no longer linked to your Amazon account. This simple step helps safeguard your financial information and prevents any unintended purchases. Remember, keeping your payment methods up to date is crucial for online security. For more helpful Amazon tips, be sure to subscribe.